Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my wonderful children. Hope you've been good. Hope your weekend went well. Okay, today is a Monday on the 5th October 2020, and our subject here is mathematics. You see, and then we have a topic greater. Okay, this is greater than or less than. Greater than or less than. What is greater than? Greater than is something bigger than, something more than, something plentier, okay? Something that is more, bigger, plentier, okay? That's what they mean greater, okay? For example now, Auntie Mamadi is greater than you. I am bigger than you. I am older than you. I am taller than you. That's what we mean by something great, okay? Greater than. So now let's look at this ones here. Now look at my fingers, okay? Here we have 3. 1, 2, 3 fingers, okay? And here we have 2 fingers. Are you seeing? Okay? Here are 3 fingers and here are 2 fingers, okay? So these 3, 1, 2, 3 is greater than these 2 fingers by 1. Okay, now if I take away the 1, now you see that they are equal. Here is 2 and here is 2, they are equal. But if I add the 1, you will see that this side of my finger is greater than this other side, okay? This side is greater, is bigger, okay? It's plentier. We have 3 here and here we have 2. Okay, let's see this one again. We have 5 fingers here. These are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 fingers and here we have 4 fingers. Do you see? 5 and 4. 5 and 4. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, still this side is greater because these are 5 and these fingers are 1. 5 is greater than 4 by 1. Now, if I take away the 1 finger, you see that they are both 4. So no part is greater. They are all the same. But if I add this finger, you see that 5 is greater than 4. Okay? So now, let's look at our books here. The book. Now, you say greater than or less than. In the boxes below, okay, the object, meaning this object here, the object in the upper box. Now, here is the upper side, okay? All these are up, and this one's is greater than the object in the upper box, okay? This upper box is greater than, is bigger than this object here. In this upper boxes are greater than, are bigger than the objects in the lower boxes by 1. These are the lower boxes. And by 1, they are greater. These ones here all, they are greater than these ones down by 1, 1, 1, 1. For example, let's look at box number 1, okay? Now 1, 2, okay? We'll call it as box number 1, okay? So now we have here 2 mangoes. And this down here is 1 mango. You see, I said the one that is bigger, the number that is bigger is the one that is great, okay? If you see in this box is 2 and here is 1, so definitely this upper box is greater than this lower box by 1, okay? And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges, and here we have 1, 2, 3. 4 is greater than 3 by 1. Because they said the objects in the upper box, this upper box, are greater than the objects in the lower box by 1. Okay? So now we have balls. If you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here we have 4 only. So 5 is bigger than 4. 5 is more than 4. 5 is higher than 4, and 5 is greater than 4. Do you see? Here we have 3 sweets and 2 sweets. 1, 2, 3 is greater than 1, 2 is higher. This side of the box is higher than this by 1. Okay, now let's look at this example here. They said, tick the boxes containing greater number of objects. They said we should tick, okay? This is how we are going to tick, like this. The boxes with greater number of objects, okay? Now, we have 1, 2. They are the same objects, okay? But let's see which side is bigger, which side is greater, which side is more than, and which side is plentier, okay? So now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 5 and here is 4. 5 and 4. Which one is big? Which one is bigger? Which one is higher? And which one is greater? Of course, it's 5. 5 is greater than 4. Okay? So we tick here like this. Okay? You see? So now we have in this box, okay, we have 2 things here and 3 things here. These things are 2, and here we have 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3. Which one is bigger? Okay? Which one is higher and which one is greater? Look at it clearly. 2 here and here is 3. Of course, it's 3. 3 is greater than 2. So we are going to tick this correct. Okay? And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 4 and 3, which one is higher? Which one is greater and which one is bigger? Of course, it's 4. 4 is higher than 3. Okay, now we have boxes here. 1, 2, 3 box, and here we have 1, 2 box. Good. Now 3 box and 2 box. 3 and 2. Which one is bigger? Which one is greater? Which one is higher? Remember I told you I am greater than you. Mountain Mamadi is bigger, okay? It's taller. So you look at it and see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Which one is bigger here? Which one is greater? 3 is greater than 2. So we tick 3 box, okay? So I want you all to look at this video over and over again before you do any exercise I will send to you, okay? I love you all. Take care.